What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man, and music is playing, so I really can't get into it how I want to, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Got a couple of cool cars here, man. I'll just show you what I'm looking at and what's potentially going to be bought by me today. So let's check it out, shall we? Looking at this 2010 Volkswagen Jetta, 212,000 miles on the dash here. Got leather interior. Oh, fuck. It's pretty, I mean, they clean it up pretty decent. I don't know what that is on the floor down there. Probably won't get it just based off of that, but I mean, it does look pretty fair. Mako, pretty cheap. Trying to get something a little bit more current, so I'm not really trying to blow a bag, but got a little 99 Honda Accord here, 235,000 miles. This one actually is kind of whooped on the inside. I'm kind of good on that one. This one was here last week. I know you guys remember that. Nobody bought it for like $1,200, so they didn't sell it. Got a little Honda, little Civic here, 99, 213,000 miles. Seems pretty fair on the inside. Does stink a little bit, but it is what it is. I mean, a little decent, little point A to point B car. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. It is what it is, though. Got another little Honda here, 2002 with 204,000. This is probably more my flavor right here. More my flavor. But if we take a look at the inside, the seats got stained up. It's pretty whipped. Like, it does stink in here, but they did clean it up. So, I mean, that is a plus. 200 and some thousand miles on a 2002. I think it's pretty legit for the year. Not that big of a deal. You are missing a mirror here. I mean, you do got some slight tequila kickage up front, so that might play in our benefit. We'll see what happens, though. We got an 06 Audi A4, 150,000 miles. Let's check out the inside of this joint. I remember I had one of these just like this, same year and everything. Nice black leather interior. It's pretty fair. Does look really good. Nothing that really stands out. Turbo edition. Not bad. I mean, the body is pretty fair. We can't open the hoods or nothing, so that's why I didn't open that. But we do got a little bit of paint faded in the front. No big deal there. We got a 2013 Honda Accord, 113,000 miles. It looked like they might have ran up on something. The condenser's a little pushed back. You're missing like some parts up here. No big deal though. This bumper is kind of whooped. Got a donut over here. You're missing what looks like an axle broke or some sort as well. This mirror is gone. If we take a look at the inside, I mean, it does look all right. I mean, these seats are just whooped. They didn't take care of the car at all. But not a bad deal overall. Seems pretty fair, which I think about the Honda Accord. Got a couple little mishaps, but no big deal, man. I'm also looking at this 2006 Mercedes C-Class. 187,000 miles. The mileage is pretty high. I didn't even see this wire poking out right here, so I don't know what that might be for. It is not lining up, so it might have been hit or something before previously. No big deal. If it runs good and we can get it cheap, I definitely wouldn't mind hopping on it. It does have 187,000 miles with the sunroof. Pretty high mileage for this type of car, but you never know. You never know. Maybe they treated it pretty good, but I mean, the inside is, you know, it's not the best, but definitely not the worst. Got another little Beamer 97, 133,000 miles. This one runs. It does look like, though, it's a drop top. It does look like it got like some spaghetti type stuff up here for the radio. So they pulled that out to try to get it cheaper, I'm guessing. So that's just a plus for me. 97 BMW. I don't even know how reliable they are, but looks all right. You guys remember the Pontiac Vibe? This one sold for like $5 something last week. They didn't come pick it up apparently. Got another little Audi A4. This one is like a 2002, I believe. I'm sorry, 2004 with 141,000 miles. Black leather interior. Missing a whole radio and a couple other things up there. No big deal. You can get it cheap. You may be able to get a deal, man. And again, guys, this is not the typical way we do it. But since we got the music in the background, it's like it is what it is. What is this, a 045 series, 220-something thousand miles. This thing is pretty wood, man. We'll take a quick look at the inside. We do got some cream, beige interior, a little steering wheel and everything up here. Looks to be cool, so that's a plus. Back is in pretty okay condition. But with 200K on the dash, man, I don't know. You're gonna have to give it to me for crumbs to get it, but if you like it, I love it. They got this 2008 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty with the turbo Cummins engine, 6.7 in there. We can take a quick look at the inside. Not that bad looking. I mean, everything does look pretty in order in here. This will definitely be something I'll be wanting to bid on, but I think it's just gonna go a little bit too high for me today. But definitely would be something I wouldn't mind having. Actually, if I get it, I'd probably lift it up and stuff, but that's later down the road. What y'all think about it, man? Let me know in the comments below. I was also looking at this 2000 Grand Prix with 107,000 miles. This will probably be the next best one here too. This one is a sleeper because people ain't gonna even look at this one. They gonna be looking at all the other little foreign cars. So while they looking over there, I'll just give y'all a quick little inside view, man. It does look really good in here. Everything is intact. However, this little shifter part up here is gone, but no big deal. 107,000 miles. I think this will be something really cool to bid on. And they got this little Range Rover, little LR2, the little black, little leather seats and whatnot. No big deal. This one will probably go for like maybe $4 grand or so today. But got another little Ford Focus here. This one is a 02, 155,000 miles. This one is actually way cleaner than the other one. So if this one goes cheap, definitely wouldn't mind grabbing this. I mean, it's pretty cheap and it does look good. The paint on it and body on it, actually they painted this thing. This is a fresh paint job on this, so this one actually might be a pretty good car. We'll keep our eye on this one right here. It's only got a 155 on the dash. Got a little scooter. That thing is gonna go cheap. Paula, little Honda. Couple cool cars here, man. Couple cool cars. We got a Vet. Let's check this one out. Let's see. We might need an LS swap. This young Vet, man. We got another little Corvette here. This thing is pretty uncomfortable if you ask me, but does look really cool in here. I mean, it's pretty updated for what it is. But yeah, I don't know. I ain't trying to get my motherfucking head cut off up here. What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update. Man, this is the auction where we can't open anything, so don't ask. I ain't even really seen nothing, like really much of nothing I really just like that, but I just give you guys a quick walkthrough of what they do got. I'm trying to find the best of the best. They got a bunch of scooters back here. Wow, that's crazy. What is this one? We got a 2014. This one was actually here. No, this one wasn't here last week. Yeah. Gonna need some little work. It's a 2014, 110,000 miles. Got like a little '02 Mustang GT or '01, one of the two. This is probably gonna be best one here today. 108,000 miles. They probably raffling that one off. I don't know. Yeah, they don't really got too much action up here today, y'all. So I don't know if this is the one we're gonna be at. You guys know I don't really care for this one anyway. We do got a little Camry. With 243,000 miles. Wow. I think it's pretty high up there, man. How many miles this one got? It don't even say. Honda Accord 138. It's probably the most decent one here today. And I think this one was actually here like last week too. So, I don't know. Little Santa Fe. What is this? This shit is whooped though. Y'all see this interior on this joint? Damn. That interior dirty as heck, dog. I don't even know what year this is, but they didn't take care of it at all. Let me see. It's 2015 with 111,000 miles. Ford Fiesta. That thing is whooped in the inside, dog. This one's pretty nice. A little '03 Santa Fe, 63,000 miles. Inside, it's a stick shift. I guess that's why it's so cheap, huh? It does look good. This is probably one of the better ones we've seen before. Wow. Are all the scooters for sale today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow. It's about to be a scooter party up in this joint. You get a whole scooter business. But I thought this was like an M3. He got the little BMW, little M3 wheels on the other side, like the stance. Couple of little trailers. You never know what they might have here, man. So you gotta keep your eye open. They might have stuff in the back that's like in the cut you wouldn't even know. But just roaming through this joint right now. Trying to find something decent. We got a 2008 Nissan Versa. Mileage is unknown. I'm pretty sure this thing is whooped because it's in this section. You're gonna need a donut wheel on this side. The cars today, guys, are a little bit bland. I'm guessing last week they sold out all their good cars. But you got a little Tahoe. Nothing really that stands out yet, though.